Sunday Fun with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson, and I have the camera aimed at the window, big kind of bay window here, and it's lit up in the studio, and it's dark outside. It's 8 o'clock at night or something, and so the video is showing a reflection of the room and myself. And so today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice where you have a reflection of yourself. So this may be water, like a puddle or a pool. It may be a mirror. It may be, as I'm doing, this kind of faux mirror. It may be even just setting up a screen of some kind with the camera function on, so that the view of the camera that hasn't had the shutter released shows you yourself. And the idea is just to have a live view, which any reflection will do, as you practice, so that you're practicing in partnership with your reflection, so that you have a sense of looking outside of the self to see into the self. So you have a sense of seeing the self from the outside. So I'm casting my awareness outside of myself, seeing, letting the cast awareness meet the bouncing photons of the self that have bounced. So the idea is, rather than just kind of interoceptively tuning into what my body's doing well and poorly and needs work on and so forth, I'm looking out of myself with my outer facing senses to get a sense of what my being is doing, and in my case, what it's doing wrong and needs help with. So thank you, and try to remember that. I guess I should move my face over here. Trying to remember that you are at best a reflection of your teacher. And boy, that's pretty nice. Thank you. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.